Best of luck, man.
Good luck, have fun. I'll maneuver. Yeah, I'll maneuver again. Okay.
Let's see. I will maneuver. And I will maneuver again. Actually, let's stay there. Your turn.
Play this thing.
Okay.
Let's attack.
Insightful.
Let's just gamble it.
Uh,
Okay, I'll roll d6.
Yep, so 6 is a 0. Ouch,
Okay.
ouch, ouch, ouch.
Okay, that's how
All right,
that works.
then I reveal the top 3 of your deck.
Okay.
So let me just move these out of the way. Drop 2 table face up. Ooh. Let's throw another power bomb at the bottom, and you can get the 2 chain plates on top.
Okay.
And then you get to move Daisy up to 5 spaces.
Okay, that's good enough.
All right. My turn. I will maneuver. And Daisy attacks. All right, fair enough.
Mm,
Yep, you go.
I'll attack Daisy. Yeah, doesn't matter. Well, maybe I'll draw 5. Let's see. Okay, not to be.
Okay.
Not that lucky. Maneuver. Will you just use this if I leave it open? Let's just stay there, sure.
Okay. Maneuver. Maneuver. Your go.
Okay. Let's maneuver. Maneuver. Go ahead.
Right. Maneuver. We'll have Jill attack. Okay, good job.
Let's just use this Angel.
Two.
Maneuver.
second.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, you just double maneuvered?
I schemed then maneuvered. I used the thing. The
Oh, yeah. You maneuvered.
Okay.
All right. Let's maneuver. And we'll have Jill attack you. All right. So you get a machine, then roll the die.
Yep.
Okay, fine. Sure.
Cool.
Sure.
Okay.
I gain an action. Let's see. Jill attacks you again.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
You take 2. Then we each reveal.
Yeah.
So mine is Battle of Wits. There's another chain flail. Jesus
Yeah.
Christ. Yours is longer, so you'll draw it.
Yeah. Okay.
I gain another action. I'll attack you again.
Defend.
Alright, so first you get a machine,
Then I'll.
you roll the die, and then you reveal top. So it's a 1. Do you reroll?
They need the boost value of 3
Mm-hmm.
for a random dice. I'll reroll that to be sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, yours is a 6. We still do reveal top.
Yep. Draw the table face up.
Alright, roll it.
Okay. Okay.
0. Okay. You still have to discard 1.
Yeah. I'll just discard the flail. It's enough.
Okay.
Okay.
Your turn. Two flails in
Attack
hand.
with a +2.
Attack with +2. Let's just cancel it.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, I couldn't see the
Oh,
card.
yeah, it's just this.
Okay, fair enough.
So I'll maneuver this thing.
Okay.
Good.
All right. Maneuver. Where was I? I was here, right? Alright, so I will maneuver. And maneuver. Your turn.
I'll maneuver. Then maneuver. Good.
Alright. Let's pop the scheme. We both discard 2. I'm going to choose this one and this one.
Okay.
Okay. Then I'll use the daisy scheme.
Okay.
And we'll shuffle back 1, 2, 3. And I will draw 1. And now it's your turn.
I'll maneuver.
Maneuvering scheme.
Not yet. I wish I had this. I wish I had it. Would make my life so much easier. Now I have to interact with this 1 HP tank. Sure, I'll attack. Yeah, okay. So I need a 4 or a 5.
1 and 3 shot. First, get your machine. Get your machine.
Oh yeah, but it's okay. Then I'll reroll it, sure.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, we're sunken cost.
We'll send it.
Okay.
Alright, you got it. She's dead. I still draw 1.
Yeah.
Alright, second action.
I maneuvered.
Oh yeah, so you maneuvered into that. Yeah, okay. I'm a little stupid.
No problem.
Let's see. I will maneuver. And maneuver. Your turn.
I'll maneuver. I'll maneuver again. Go ahead.
Maneuver. Because I had 2 in my opening hand.
Okay. Man, if I got to kill Daisy faster. Oh my god.
And let me just smack you. Alright, what do you choose?
I'll just cancel it.
Alright, your turn.
I'll attack.
Alright. Let's block for 4.
Yeah, I mean, we'll see. Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna force that.
Alright.
Then I'll maneuver. Okay.
Okay. I will maneuver. And maneuver. Your turn.
Maneuver. Hmm. I'll maneuver again. Okay.
Okay. Maneuver. Let's boost for 1. And what do we have left? You're running out of damage, I think.
Yeah. You're running out of Daisy cards.
Ah, darn. Let's attack you with this. Okay, sure. Your turn.
Play team. Oh fuck me.
Are you gonna reroll that?
What the hell? Okay, let me think. Can't even deal 1 damage. Let's reroll that shit. Okay.
There you go.
1.
You still have 2 actions.
Yep. I'll attack with +2.
We'll just stasis.
Okay. Top card.
Another stasis diffuser. Yours is
Yeah,
longer. You
play,
draw
draw
yours.
it.
You still have an action.
Yeah. Let's attack.
Jetpack.
No, just roll once basically.
You get the
Does this count?
yeah, but you still got a 5 from it. Okay, so I take 3.
Okay.
And I'll choose remove. Now we'll just stay there. Actually, no. I'll move.
Okay.
Then I will maneuver. And maneuver. You go.
I'll move 1 guy. I will maneuver.
You move 2 right now.
Oh, I moved
You
2.
have a-
Okay, yeah. Thanks.
You keep forgetting that your card gives
I
you
do.
machine. That's what your card does. Read your
It
cards.
activates the machine. I just see the increases cards value by question mark. That's, that's what my eyes are on. I'll maneuver. I'll maneuver again. Okay.
All right. Let's maneuver. And maneuver. Here you go.
I'll maneuver.
I know you have the power bomb at the bottom, so don't have to.
Yeah.
So we have 5 schemes. Red 1, 2 cancels. One of these. 1, 2, 3, 5.
I'll maneuver again. You go.
Okay. I will maneuver. And I will attack you.
I'll take it. Go.
Alright, take 2. Then we flip. Finds boost 2. Here's random. Roll the die.
Okay.
Yours is 4. Okay, your turn.
Okay.
And your turn.
Play wings. Okay, we roll again. Okay.
Still have 2 actions.
And I'll attack with a +1 with the missiles.
Alright, let's just stasis it.
Okay.
Roll doesn't matter. You still have an action.
Yep. Little too faint. It's gonna be awkward as hell. Do I just play the IQ? No.
Just play it and pray.
Yeah. Hmm.
4 cards in deck to my 6.
Let's just play it and
Alright,
just well play it now. Doesn't matter. I'll draw question mark cards. Roll. Ugh, fuck.
3 cards.
Let's reroll that.
Alright.
It has to be a 0. It has to be a 6. Oh, okay.
Draw
Sure,
1
I'll
card.
take that.
Okay.
This one. Then we roll again.
How much do you heal? Heal 3.
Sure. Okay.
Alright. My turn. I'll swap. Let's maneuver. And I'll attack you.
I'm kind of forced. I'm at the point I have to start taking hits, I think.
That's why I swapped.
Yeah. That's the annoying part. My ping damage from wings. All for naught. Okay. Yeah, and then once we get to the bottom of my deck, you'll just faint everything I throw at you. And then the power bomb won't do shit. Okay. What is this? It doesn't matter, you're gonna heal. Sure, I'll take it.
Alright, take 3, I'll heal 2.
Yeah. Okay.
Your turn.
Attack.
No more of these. It's not a power bomb. This power bomb's at the bottom. So whatever it is, it kind of
Basically nothing.
It doesn't really matter what it is. So let's just get full hand knowledge then, unless you cancel it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So no damage. Mine goes first.
Yeah, you
so
actually.
Oh, Jesus
believe. Yeah.
I was not expecting.
That just kind of happened by itself.
I see.
Didn't even have to insightful that one.
We'll leave power bomb at the bottom and put the 2 IQs next.
Yeah, just the way it was.
Yeah. Let me make sure I did that right.
Okay, so
yeah, so this one's return to deck, and these go to top. This goes.
I mean, might as well just leave this one. Let's compare names.
Yeah. All right.
This is,
Hypnotist. Which one is longer? Mine is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mine's 9 letters.
Mine's 9 as well. So it's a tie.
Not longer.
Yeah.
So it needs to be longer. So it's not longer.
2,
So
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, okay. Turn to deck. Top.
IQ. Oh, does the spaces count also?
Yeah, the spaces count as well.
Oh, okay. Good to know. Okay. You still have an action.
I'll maneuver. Yep, I'm drawing my IQ. I mean, you might as well see my entire hand if you want.
Yeah, I mean, I can put 2 and 2 together.
Yeah, you can do this faster. Sure.
Yeah, sure.
You got perfect knowledge anyway. Yeah, go ahead.
Alright. Let's see, you can double maneuver. Yeah, I guess I'll swap that way I can guarantee cancel if you try some IQ shenanigans. Let's maneuver and boost. I had that one in hand for a while. And attack.
Let's just cancel it. Whatever that is. Okay.
Doesn't really matter. Your turn.
Basically attacking with portal. Decision. Okay. I'll attack.
Sure.
I'll gain a machine, I guess, for whatever that's worth. I can move forward when I die in fatigue. And then one more action. Sure, let's maneuver. Very far. Go ahead.
Alright, I'll stay on Hypnoray. Maneuver. Maneuver. Here you go.
I have to like Giga Chad this 2 IQs in a row where I draw 0 and heal 5. then I'll probably win if that happens, I guess.
Here, we'll see.
I'll maneuver. Yeah, okay. I mean, what else? Okay,
Alright.
drawing X cards.
Draw 2.
Anything but 6 is unacceptable. Let's reroll that.
Alright. Draw
Okay.
3. Draw 2.
Maybe 2 wasn't so bad after all.
Take 4 damage.
I'll take 4, whatever.
And then how much are you healing?
And we're healing.
2.
It's a net loss. I'll reroll that. Let's go gambling. Oh, cool.
4.
I just went back to where I was.
It was just a pass.
Yeah, go ahead.
Alright.
Now you have to boost 3 if you want to attack me. Yeah, you do have a boost 3. So you can attack me.
Full maneuver. Boost. And attack.
Stupid endgame. The fuck am I doing? Do I defend? Is the question. Let's defend, sure.
Okay.
Okay.
First, yours goes. So you place somebody somewhere.
I mean, I have to attack you with power bomb. So I guess you just stay here. Doesn't really matter anymore.
Sure.
Okay.
Then roll the die. We are putting
Sure.
all of our cards on bottom.
I'm back. No, wait. I'm losing a fatigue. Okay. Return to deck. Shuffle.
Wait, do we get to choose?
Oh no, it's random. I mean, it's
what
fine.
I'm gonna do,
Okay.
because it's in a random order. I'm just gonna draw my last.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Put the rest on bottom, or here. Shuffle it, and then I'll just draw one more.
Okay.
And
Draw
then you
2.
take one. Well, yeah,
you
because
drew
I
two,
put
yeah.
all of them on bottom, drew this one, which would still be on top.
okay.
Draw one more. Then you draw
Draw
2, and you take 1.
Yes.
Okay.
Actually amazing. The last the last card is IQ. It just keeps going back. Okay, maybe now what are the odds that to Hypnoracer? Attack. First.
So it literally has to be okay. Yeah, sure. Cancel it.
Oh man. Unlucky. And the last card in my deck is the IQ.
Oh man.
Okay. What do we do? A scheme.
Alright. Alright, I take 1.
I'll maneuver. I'll force you to boost. Oh, no, you don't even have to boost. Go ahead. I have IQ.
I'll swap. Maneuver.
I mean, yeah, whatever. I didn't get unlucky, I think.
Yeah,
I mean,
take 5, I heal
yeah.
1.
Okay.
Your turn.
I'll play this immediately. Draw 6. No, draw 6. No, wait. Okay, take 4. Oh no. What the fuck does it matter?
Alright. How much do you heal?
Healing.
4.
Sure. No. I mean, we're already at the end, right? Let's see if I can get something better. Okay, no,
Heal 0.
That's not better. And then one more. Okay,
Heal
one more.
2.
Perhaps you should have stopped before. Oh no!
Heal
Wait, oh, see?
5.
That
There you
works out.
go.
Then I'll maneuver. And then do whatever you want.
You only move 1.
I move 1, yeah, that's true.
Alright, I'll stay on tonic. I'll maneuver. I'll hit you for 3 and heal 2.
Yeah, and then I just die. Okay.
Good game.
Yeah, good game. Man, I mean, I got lucky there. Some random times I just hit a 5. I think, man, if I just got this scheme, like, sooner and then just got to kill Daisy.
Yeah.
Damn. I mean, in the end, the
Yeah.
fatigue was sorta close, but the scheme was basically the difference, I think.
Mm-hmm. Alright, so now I just have to get a win with Golden Bat.
Yeah.
Can I manage that?
If you'd like to support the channel, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee or my Pixel by ePlayment pages down below. And if you like the content you just saw, make sure to check out the other videos on my channel. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.